panels from here. So you can see once I remove the thing, you can see how it is look like. So after we remove those things, we have to unscrew this 4 screws in the side. So before that, I think we can pull this panel out. So first we need to remove this screws on the sides for this air conditioning system using the Phillips head. Screw. So what I recommend you is using a minus screwdriver and just insert somewhere here and pull this trims out. So after you do that one, you may be able to remove the panel like this. The whole panel system will come out. So you can see there is a cable here, so you have to detach that one by putting here. Like this, and you can pull that thing just ahead, so we can see the stereo here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws need to be removed. After that, we can pull out the stereo. After you remove all the 4 screws, you're able to pull that stereo outside like this. So you can see all the wirings in behind. So the wirings, it's depend upon the stereo you choose. So this is the basic power harness for the Mazdas. It all comes like this way. So you can buy the harness from Super Cheap or Repco somewhere using the Mazda ones. And you can see FM harness and everything behind the stereo. So it's depend upon the stereo you choose. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel so you can see more cars, how to replace the stereos and everything in it, how to connect the steering wheel functions and all. Thank you.